Hello YouTube, welcome back in my channel. Saturday midday. Couple of jobs done in a week. If you want to look down there, that's more or less layout of seats. How it looks like. So I make brackets to put spinners on the front, and that one should be solid. So for the third passenger, no, it will be just a 3 seats anyway, so and that's a good enough for this one. Yeah, and apparently if there will be everything as they are, I can make a third bed in here, so to lay down that one seat, the spin around, put a backrest flat up to that one. So yeah, and there should be a third bed, not the big one, but always something. I'll be tired doing now, so camera like that, you should see what's going on. Yeah, something like that. And then we've got third bed. Yeah, it will be all right in emergency for someone not too tall, to be honest. Yeah, it's like 5'8" long, 5'7". Yeah. Yes, it is what it is, because we've got restricted space on that van. So yeah, but it should be all right. Yeah, this is that's a bracket what they did for to bolt this spinner base. Yeah, looks like it should be all right. What else? Later on, when they assemble the roof back on, as it's supposed to be, and there will be sealed properly, I need to find out. I need to make a bracket for the seat belts, especially, not that one. That one for the drum. Yeah, because originally, when this seat base has been on the front, the seat belts has been bolted to this. Yeah. When this seat base was on the front, the seat belt has been bolted to this right here. So you can see this kind of bracket right here, but this bracket, this bar is spinning around as well, so I cannot put the seat belts, I cannot bolt the seat belts to this. Yeah, they have to be bolted to the floor. Yeah, they cannot basically spin around. Yes, yeah, something has been done. One step forward, 2 steps back. Yeah, and I just realized this week is a moment. It's like the moment. Well, it's like a point no return. Nothing more. There will be disassembly. Just I start to creating new parts like this bracket, and repairs. Yeah. Yeah. That's, I think. Oh, what I done else? I removed the door cards, all them round, just to keep them safe and clean, you know, because when I will clean and roof, I will be doing lots of dust. So I need to cover up the dashboard. Yeah, to keep the dust away. I need to take the seats back anyway. So yeah, to keep them clean and to make a space for me to get easy access to those 2 corners. Right. Yeah. Okay, that's it for Saturday, and I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye. Right. Now you can see exactly how I made the brackets for the smaller spinner seat base. Right. The layout of holes is totally different. Is smaller, so than that one. This is the original. I just make a brackets with the slots, couple of coach bolts, slotting like that. They won't turn. Big washer on top, spinner, nuts, and that's it. Simply the best. And now the seatbelt bracket. Right, that one will be like that. Clamp it. I need to make a slot for that one bolt as well in here. So like that. And this is going on top, right up there. Right, yeah. So because this is quite weak, not very strong, I have to make like a angle piece, maybe the welded to this, or will be the bolted as well, you know, with that one, or maybe angle piece bracket, but bend it this way, and I make 2 holes bolted together to make this strong. Yeah. and I think that will be the easiest way to do it. And that will be strong enough. Yeah, just like that. Yes. So, dashboard covered. Yeah. I lifted up the roof a little bit more on the front. Yeah, with the extra bits of wood, so to make big space and I get better access. And now I've got hours and hours cleaning the old silicone. Yeah. So this have to be looks minimum like that. Yeah. And then will be glued back as supposed to be glued. Oh well. Yeah. Long hours. Cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. Righto, I'm busy. See ya.